Hello traders, today I'm going to break down one of the most powerful trading concepts, market structure. So whether you are a beginner or struggling trader who are finding it difficult to analyze charts, I'm going to explain to you what is market structure and how you can be able to use it to make money. I'm going to explain it simple and make it easy for you guys so that you can use it to make money in the market, guys. So if you are ready, guys, let's dive in to the screen right now. I'm going to show you how it works.
So today we're going to talk about market structure. So if you are asked what is market structure, so like some of you who don't know market structure, so I will break down one of the most powerful trading concepts. Market structure, whether you're a beginner or are you struggling or are you confused about chart, so I'll make this possible, like I'll make it simple. So let's talk about market structure, guys. So what is market structure? Market structure simply means price move in what? In wave. Do you understand? Price move in what? In wave. So when we are talking about market structure, we are talking about price moving what? In a wave. So let's talk about like this. Price is moving like this, 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 and what? Moving like this. So this thing is what? Is market is what? Is in wave. So do you understand? So market is in what? Is in wave. So and if you look at this wave now, this one is called what? Uptrend. So and for the market to form uptrend, there will be something that are called what? Break of structure. So this place is what? A break of structure. So that is a break of structure. There will be a what? A break of structure. And again, there will be what? There will be higher high, higher low. So which is in uptrend. So there will be what? Something like HH, HL, HL, and what? HH. So there will be what? HH and what? HL. That is what? Higher high and higher low. So just know this, guys. So this thing is happening what? In uptrend, guys. HH and what? HL. So if you are confused about this, it's just a simple terms used in what? A smart money concept, guys. So higher high and higher low, guys. So um many of you who don't know, this is what? This is uptrend. So we have three types of what? Market structure, which is uptrend, downtrend, and range market. So this one is what? Uptrend. So when the market is moving like this, breaking of structure, forming higher high, higher low, it is what? In uptrend. So again, let's talk about downtrend. So this one is what? Downtrend. So let me just give it DT, downtrend. So I mean, let me just give it U, that should be um U, up, 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 UT, uptrend. Yeah, that is UT. Just call it UT. So then let's talk about downtrend. That is DT. So when the market is moving in a wave like this, breaking of structure, 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 and continue like this. So what are we are saying that the market is in what? The market is in what? Is in what? Is in downtrend. So you understand it? The market is what? Is in downtrend. So the market is in what? Is in downtrend. So this is what? In downtrend. So we have what? Opposite of what we have in uptrend. So this one will be what? HL. This one should be what? LH. That is lower high. And what? LL. Lower low. Just like is opposite of what is in uptrend. So this one should be what? LH, LH, and what? LL. Okay. So can you see that? If you look at this place right now, you will see that the price is also what? Breaking of structure here. Price is also breaking structure here. Down, breaking of what? Structure. So when the price is in downtrend or price in uptrend, what are you expecting the market? Comment below before I say it. When the price is in uptrend, what are you expecting the market to do? You are expecting what? To go up, right? So you'll be expecting to be buying. That is buying. Buy at what? Support. Not just anywhere you see. And when the price is in downtrend, you'll be expecting to what? Sell at what? Resistance. So when the price, if you see that people, if you are selling here, you are making profit and taking your stop loss here and taking your take profit here. So this is this one now is what? This one now is what? DT. This is downtrend. Can you see that? So another one is what is when the market is in range, when the market is making something like this, forming uh forming something like this. Let me just let me just make it again. So when the market is forming something like this, forming something like this, so it might not be perfect like this. So when the market is forming something like, we say that the market is what? Is in range or is in what? Sideways. What did I say? Is in range or is in sideways. So we have three types of market structure, which is uh, uptrend, downtrend, and what? Range. So let's say that this one is what? R. Let's say that this one is R. Market is what? Range. So when the market is in, I say that when the market is in uptrend, what you will be looking for what is to be buying, and when the market is in downtrend, what you will be looking for what is to be what? Selling. But when the market is in range, what are you going to do? Comment below if you know what, if you know the answer. What are you going to do? You what? You do what? You you stay what? Away. So stay away. That is the thing. That is the answer, guys. So that is the answer for this, guys. So I hope that you have so I'm going to give you an example. So then how to trade market structure. You can't just go and trade market structure anyhow. Like I will show you how you trade market structure. First of all, like how I do, you need to go like higher time frame. You have to go to higher time frame like uh, daily time frame of 4 hours to do your market structure first, then beginning there and coming down to lower time frames. That's where you will be entering. So right now, let's say that we want to do market structure on this Nasdaq, and we see that the market, we go to uptrend, we go to daily time frame, and we see that the market is what? Is in what did the market doing here? The market is what? Uptrend. Can you see that the market is what? Uptrend. So you can see that the market is in uptrend. So right now we'll be narrowing it down. So we now, that is a criteria that we are going to be what? Buying. So and that time we'll be narrowing it down to 4 hour time frame. You can see. So we are going to be buying this place. You can see that the market is forming so if you look at this place, you can see that the market is forming break of structure, like forming a break of structure and also making what? Um, um, the demand zone. You can see. So I'm not talking about demand zone here. You can see that the market is forming a break of structure and also forming what? A demand zone, guys. So if you look at this place, you can see that the market break of structure here. So breaking of structure here, breaking another structure here. So though the structure is not much, but if you look at it, the market is actually breaking of structure, which show that we are what in uptrend. So what you'll be doing is to looking for a place to buy. So assuming that you are the kind of person that want to buy, what you'll be looking for once the market make a break of structure, you'll be looking for, you'll be mark your what you are, you will mark your what you are, your what your what your demand zone. That is demand zone here. So here we're going to be what your demand zone. So when the market touch your this thing, here will be your the demand. You can see that the market later reacted at this zone. So this is where you're going to sell and take a profit on the next previous what high. So this is where you can do it. So it is very what simple. So it's very what simple, guys, if you are following this thing, guys. So you can go long here and take your profit on a previous height. You can see. So that is it, guys. So let's look at the same thing on a, you can actually do it on a 1 hour time frame. You can see on a 1 hour time frame is very bigger. So this is how you can see when the market is making a break of structure, this will become your what, this is what, this is become your what. You can see. So when the market is making a break of structure, you can see our demand zone here. The market reacted on a 4 hour time frame, but you can see that okay, it reacted it, you can see it, guys. So you can see that what this is what happens after the market make a breaking of structure here, it's later this is become our what, our demand zone, and we mark our demand zone here. You can see the market come here and reacted at that zone. So and you can see, so this is what we tell you that this is where you are going to take your what, your 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 what, this is where you are going to enter. You can see that it's bigger here. So this is how you can able to trade this what demands trade this um, market structure. So I hope that you understand. You can see this place right now. If you are trading, you can see that the market make a break of structure here. So this place become what, our next what, demand zone. So you can mark this place as your demand zone. When the market come and react at this area, you enter what, buy. So you understand it. You can see, so when the market come and react at this zone, you will buy here. So this is where we put what, you can see that after here, you can see that this trend line already put this line as what, as well, to buy limits, guys. So you can see that it's working if you are, even if you are using market structure to buy, guys, or to do your analysis to make to trade, you can actually make profit, guys. So if you are doing it, guys. So this is what we are talking about, guys. You can see also this place, even though this one is not much, but you can see that there is also what something like demand zone here. So there's something like demand zone here, so which is actually cool if you apply it, guys. You can see it. So this place right now, so the market did not come to mitigate our what, our demand zone. You can see. So you wait for another one to mitigate. So if the market did not mitigate it, then you wait for another one to come and mitigate it, guys. So that is how to trade what on a market structure, on what, on a uptrend. So right now I'm going to show you on downtrend, and I'm also going to show you on market range, guys. So let's see if you can see something like AUD USD is going to be something like, okay, if you look at AUD right now, if you look at, let's look at AUD and see if you can find something like, okay, if you look at AUD right now, you can see that this place is in downtrend, right? So if you can see where the downtrend started, so that is what I'm looking for, guys. So you can see that there's a break of structure here. So this place now become our supply zone. So people can start wait for the market to react at this zone before they start selling. Someone can start wait at this level to market to start was selling. So when the market not come back to your zone, just leave it, guys. So someone can start, you can see that this place, someone can start sell at this place and wait for here the market to react at this zone. So this one is not much perfect, you can see. So you can actually sell at this, you can see that this place there is also something from this place become our demand zone, our supply zone, you can see. So this one was accurate, this one did not form. So you can see someone can decide to sell here and take a profit around this place, take a profit around this place. So, and again, something I want to tell you guys, I want to tell you about Telegram, our Telegram, guys. Our Telegram started, we are posting signal. So, we are making profit on our signal, guys. So, and many have made in a profit on our signal, guys. So, I just want you to tell you that this signal, Telegram is still open. You can join right now. We are giving signal on many pays, so people are making profit, guys. We are making a crazy profit on our Telegram. You can see this one that is a volatility. So, and we actually made a profit that hits here, guys. So if you want to join, there's a link below, guys, and there'll be a link. So this was it, guys. You can see. So let's talk about marketing range. I'm going to use like something like volatility to talk about it, guys. Let's talk about marketing range here. So when you see a range market, how do you know? Like this place right now, you can see that once you see the market is in range, what are you going to do? Like I told you, you have to stay away, guys. Like you can see this place market was forming range here. You can see this place, guys. So this place market was actually forming what range. So what you have to do is to stay away, guys. If you look at this place, you can see that the market is in range here. So some people like to trade what range breakout. So you might, some people like to trade what range breakout. You can see that after the range breakout, some it traded here. So which some people like to trade opposite of range breakouts. Like that's some strategy that trade opposite of, I think, a London session. Yes, that some people used to trade it after the break, or then they trade opposite. So that is it. Some people used to trade like this. So depending on the one that is want, but look at what I'm telling you, that you can see people, whether you are trading opposite or you are trading direct, they are staying away from what range market, because range market can actually drain your account, because you don't know where you market is going up and going down, and it's not helpful at all, guys. So this is exactly of range market, guys. So this is exactly of what range market. So this is exactly of range market I'm talking about, guys. You can see. So when you see range market, just stay away, guys, and wait for the breakout, then you can actually trade. If you are trading opposite or direct, that depends on your strategy. So but if you are seeing a breakout, stay out unless you know how to trade it, guys. So this is what actually breakout is all about, guys. So there's no much thing to talk about on a breakout. So you have seen it, guys, and you have seen how it is, guys. So I hope that you understand the market structure and how the market structure works, guys. And if you have any other question, guys, on market structure, you can actually ask me on a link below, guys. You can actually ask me on a link below so that I can explain to you more on a markets, on what on market structure, guys. So that is it for today, guys, and comment below and also share this video, guys, for beginners. So this video is for smart money concept traders if you want to make money on a trading, guys. So I will see you in my next video.